how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add collaboration in Instagram after you post that. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Instagram with your account. Alright, so after you open the application with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here you can see every post that you have been posted on Instagram. So from here you'll have to select one. Alright, so after you select that post on Instagram, you'll have to just tap on the three lines just at the top right corner of that post. And now from here you'll have to go to the option edit. Okay, so from this edit section you'll be able to see your options at the top like add collaborators. So from here you'll have to go that option. Alright, so from this section you can invite the collaborators for your post. So in this way you can add a collaboration from here. So after you done this, you'll have to just tap on the done option, and from here you can easily add the collaboration in Instagram after you post that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.